Hi guys, today's question was sent by Joel and he wants to know how can we find out the difference between two times and get the results in hours and minute. So for that I have created a simple database here. So in first scenario, we can get the hours and minute difference between two times. I'll just populate a simple formula which is subtracting A2 value from B2. So it is B2 minus A2. But as you can see, this is giving me the result in number format. So what you will have to do, you will have to right click or press Ctrl 1, which is the shortcut to get format cell. Go to number section, go to time, and you can select any format which will give you hours and minute difference. So I'm just selecting this, which means difference between the date which is there on cell B2 and on cell A2 is 1 hour 46 minutes. But there is a problem. If you want to use this result in another formula, you won't be able to use it because we have changed the format, but actually C2 value is not 1 hour and 46 minutes. It's actually a number. So for that, you will have to use another formula which is text, and then you will do B3 minus A3. And as you can see, there are two parameters that you have to provide. First is the value that we have already got by subtracting A3 from B3, and in the format parameter you will have to give hours in double quotes and M for minutes. I'll close the bracket. Now it is giving me 0 hours and 0 minutes. Why? Because both of the time and date which is there in A3 and B3 are same. Let me change the time here. So now it is giving me 2 hours, which is the exact difference between these two dates. Now let's take another example which will help you understanding the text formula in a better way. B4 minus A4 in double quotes, hours, minutes. Now there is a problem in this formula. You can see that there is a 2 hours difference between B4 and A4 cell, but actually if you see, this is 17th of January and on A4 it is 16th of January. That means there is a difference of 26 hours, not 2 hours. For that, what you have to do is you will have to provide big brackets in the hours so that it doesn't roll up to days, right? Because after completing 24 hours, it is converting it to days, which we are not calculating right now. So in the output, we are only extracting hours and minutes. Now this will sum up all the hours difference in this cell only, right? Let me show you another example of this formula. It's B5 minus A5, and the format you already know. Let's say I'm providing the big brackets here. Now here, if I won't provide any big brackets around the parameter, it will give you 0. But you know that there is a difference of 4 days, so it will obviously give you 4 into 24. On A5 cell, we don't have the time available, and similarly on B5 cell as well, we don't have the time. But if you change the format of this, you will see that it is giving you 12 a.m. So for all the dates where the time is not mentioned, Excel consider it as 12 a.m. So that is the reason it is giving you 96, which is 24 into 4 days. I hope that was helpful. You may keep sending your questions on the comments and I will keep on sending you the solution in the form of videos. Don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. Till next time, keep excelling.